Yeah, I'm back, guys. Just dropped off my best friend in the whole world. Been knowing him for a while now, a long time, probably 91, 92, or maybe even 90, something like that. But yeah, I don't feel good, so I'm gonna go home and take some of that airborne he told me to get and take a nap. I want to get back over here and watch the Super Bowl. But if I feel like this when I wake up, because I think I woke up this morning feeling like crap. And it's like Daniel said, getting out, he said, man, we got some drones to fly. I said, yeah, I know. I got to start getting some drone video up on on this channel here. Everybody's going to start leaving. I don't want nobody to leave. I'm going to start doing better. Like yesterday, I know I had that one where my butt was in the way and all that, but yeah, I could have got Daniel was flying his. He's got a Traxxas. Hang on, that's my ham radio. I'm a storm spotter too. That's why all this equipment's down here. So yeah, and my light bar right there. I do that on just, it's a hobby. I get it if we have bad severe weather, bad thunderstorms. I'm not as active as I used to be, but I'll pick up Daniel. He's my spotter while I'm driving. We watch radar and all that as we approach the storm. It's a 2-mile buffer zone that you gotta abide by, because you don't want to get too close, and because you don't never know where that tornado is, especially in Alabama, because we got all these hills and stuff. I don't know, you guys watch my videos of, the roads I travel and all the trees we got. I mean, if you'll look at the tree situation, it's hard to see. If you're 2, 3, 4, 5, even 15, 20 miles away, you may see the dropping of the funnel cloud, but it's hard to see if it's on the ground or not. And it can be rain wrapped too, where you don't see it at all. And you drive toward that storm and get caught up in it, it'll kill you. I forget their names, but God rest their soul, but they were, I think, Oklahoma, and got caught up in a storm like that, and it killed them. The tornado took their car and slung it and all that, so got to be careful. But anyway, like he was saying, we got drone flying to do and all, so yeah. Big church there. This is Adamsville. We just came out of the Forestdale, Sandusky area. Got shopping centers everywhere. Walmart. You can see the signs. The sheriff's department's over there, as you can see. But yeah, I mean, we got drones to fly to get you guys up some video, and I want to film Vulcan. That's our cast iron statue over here. I think it was put up in the 40s. Maybe it was the 40s, but it may have been the 50s. I'm thinking 50s, but it could have been the 40s, possibility. But that's where all these we got 3,000 foot towers up there on Red Mountain is what it's called. And that's where all the local Fox News, you know, our local news channels and TV stations are up there. And they got 3,000-foot towers up there that's guide wired off, and that's where Vulcan sits. But I would have to go to the park and ask management if it's okay to fly. I would have to get drone insurance put on my drone, but that wouldn't be no problem. But yeah, you know, if that don't happen, there's other places. You know, we're planning on going camping this summer, and you know, just going out and enjoying life, man. You know, life is very precious, so get out and enjoy it. That's what I've been doing. I'd sit on the computer chair, get in the chair and get on the computer all day and play video games and eat, go to bed, and repeat. That's all I did, which ain't good for you. You need to get out, walk, you know, drive around, see stuff, and all that. That used to be right there an old, I think, steel company where they did piping and stuff, which closed down. Super Center there, and you can buy cabins or whatever. Used to be a steel company right there, that white building. I don't know what they do in it now. I mean, who knows? But yeah, it's cloudy and 40 degrees or 48 degrees, and as y'all can see, it's cloudy, bad cloudy. Let me get over one here. Like Alabama Power. Cloudy day today in Alabama. Yeah, I think there's a 32 gig card in this GoPro here. I don't know. Well, it's not a GoPro. It's a GoPro lookalike. It's a Vivitar, I think, is what they call it. It came with a few accessories, but not a lot. Had like an accessory where you can mount it on your handlebars, your bicycle, and all that. And we'll be getting all right here. I don't know how shaky this camera actually is. I know we're hitting bumps and stuff, but yeah, we'll find out. Sorry if it is gonna be shaky when you guys watch it. You guys and girls, shall I say? But yeah, sorry about that. I'm gonna get a GoPro here soon, one day, maybe the end of the month or something. I just ain't had the money to get it, but. Hey Ken, if you're watching that, there's you RX-8, Mazda RX-8. Beaner and Ken, sorry about that, that's my amateur radio. When I first seen his YouTube channel, the name kind of sounded familiar, but of course, he's gotten older. Since the late 90s when I used to listen to Beaner and Ken on 107X. But that was back then. They were doing Fox 6 Sports Sideline 99 or 98 or something like that. They'd do sideline stuff with Fox 6, Rick Carly, and all those guys. Down here in Birmingham, Alabama. And so Ken, if you're watching this, hey Ken, I'm sorry. I hope you get better, brother. It's gonna take some time, you know, to have a broken back and some ribs. So, but I'm glad you and I'm glad Henry's okay. I love your little dog. I love dogs in general. I've had a couple myself, a couple of Jack Russells, a Black Lab. Yeah, so. But yeah, anyway, this is my hometown right here, sheriff or police station and all that. But there's the sheriff's car, truck. Fire department's right here coming pulling out, going back to the station, I'm sure. They're probably just out riding around. But yeah, we're gonna get some more video up. I gotta get my brother a GoPro to put on his drone. His drone doesn't take like a camera like the DJI and the Uniques and all that. I gotta get a GoPro for him somewhere. I checked some pawn shops. You know, people get, you know, needing money and they'll go pawn their stuff, and then just, I don't know if they forget about it or just can't get it back out, but I've been checking some pawn shops, but I haven't found nothing. I did find a Sony, whatever you call it, the Everyday Dad. He's got one that he loves, but they wanted $400 for that. No, I can go buy a brand new one for that. So I didn't get it. But yeah, we got to get a GoPro for him. So he doesn't have a job right now, and you know, I'm on disability, so money is tight. So, but anyway, trying to get some video up on my YouTube. It's just been yucky. Like today, raining. As you can see, I don't know if you can see the ground, but it's been raining. It's been raining off and on all day. It's supposed to rain some tonight, tomorrow. Well, it's supposed to be doing this all week long. Rain, off and on. So, I don't know. We'll see, man. I can't wait for springtime to get here and summertime where it's, you know, 80 degrees, sunny. Man, get these drones out and start flying. But that'll give me enough time. I got a Breeze the other day, Unique Breeze. It's pretty cool. It's a pretty cool selfie drone. It's kind of like the DJI Spark. But it's pretty cool. I like it. And that's going to be my little selfie drone to do selfies and little stuff like that. So, you'll be seeing it in the picture soon. But I'm just about here, guys. I want to say thanks for watching. And please subscribe. You don't have to, but I would love for you to, because we're going to get more videos up. Some funny videos and all that. But thank you. And we'll talk to you guys later. Have a great day. See ya.